At Swinburne University of Technology, we are committed to providing all our partners with innovative technology solutions that create positive real-world impact. Brimbank City Council wanted to find a way to proactively and quickly respond to road maintenance items requiring collection, repair or replacement. Through funding provided by the Australian 5G Innovation Initiative, we partnered with Brimbank City Council to develop a groundbreaking solution using Internet of Things, artificial intelligence and 5G to automatically locate maintenance tasks. The innovative approach was to equip waste collection trucks with Internet of Things hardware, such as high-resolution cameras. After all, their waste collection trucks regularly visit every street in the municipality, so they are the perfect way to monitor the condition of 20,000 road signs and 900 kilometres of road network. Waste collection trucks are fitted with a range of Internet of Things hardware, stereo vision cameras, a dome antenna, an edge computing device and 5G router. The cameras automatically capture the streets ahead of the truck. The images are transferred via the Optus 5G network to the Amazon Web Services cloud. The videos are streamed in the cloud, filtered according to location and speed, and then saved as images and videos. Council staff can then access this information via the cloud, whether at the office or on the road on their phones. The point of maintenance dashboard displays a list of locations the system has identified that may need attention. Council staff see footage and images of the maintenance task, as well as details about when it was identified and its exact location. It's this information that enables the ability to respond to tasks in real time.
Funding from the Australian 5G Innovation Initiative has enabled Brimbank City Council to access expert minds to develop this first-of-a-kind solution to enhance our asset maintenance and streetscape. We are always looking for better ways to serve our community, and it's partnerships like these that enable us to lead the way. I am so excited to see future updates to the developed system and see how we can continue to innovate and maintain our beautiful municipality.
This is kind of AI solution that is able to automatically monitor and detect roadside assets in the street. So we actually deployed this AI solution on existing garbage service truck, so 11 truck, and we deployed that solution at Brimbank City Council. And this is an actual real application. We wanted to show how it works. Okay, so as you see, our solution is able to detect this kind of the roadside assets, for example, such as damaged road signs, and also the graffiti in bus shelters, and also some illegal dump rubbish on the street. But this is the fabulous and the innovative AI solution, and it has significant potential to streamline the roadside maintenance issues in the municipality of local government and council area. But today we wanted to talk about on the flip side. So what are some critical concerns about using this AI solution? For example, when you look at those images on the right, so people, so us, so we can easily identify and capture it anytime by this AI solution. Our faces and what we are doing within our property or outside or where we are heading to. So everything can be captured automatically. So identifying such ethical serious issues and addressing them was our central focus in this paper. And we worked closely with Brimbank City Council Victoria to address also develop some of the guidelines for responsible use of this AI solution. And overall, to achieve our goals, we employed a combination of desk research and co-design approach, which involved 3 different workshops with Brimbank City Council. So in particular, we'd like to highlight that why co-designing was essential and important in our project, because translating broader AI ethics concepts, principles into existing operation context within local government requires a significant challenge. And we thought that this is where co-design approach comes to play. And then, based on that, so also we took a desk research. So in our desk research, our aim was to explore the landscape of responsible AI. And then we had a first workshop with the Brimbank City Council. In the first workshop, our aim was to identify what are some key ethical issues and the risks associated with the use of this AI solution in the municipality of the local government, Brimbank City Council. And in the second workshop, we co-developed what are some key responsible AI principles and what are some key management pillars and practices involved to be able to use this solution responsibly. Also, we established the advisory group in the ADM+S capability, and our advisory group provides invaluable feedback on how we can responsibly implement those kind of responsible AI principles and practices. Then in the third workshop, we tried to build a tailored action plan. So what does this mean is that actually, although we have a fancy responsible AI concepts, operationalizing and applying them into existing policies and the actual needs in community, local government is very different story. So we actually developed how we can apply those responsible AI principles and practices to fit the actual needs and the community needs and the resident needs in the municipality of the Brimbank City Council. Then we analyzed all the data based on the data we received from 3 different workshops and desk research. Then our last step was to provide the action plans, how we can actually implement those responsible AI principles in municipality of the council. So those are some of the important action items. The first one is that we thought that communication with the external stakeholders is very important. Yeah, very important. And also we have to establish compliance based on regulation and laws so that we can trust confidence and trust in the resident of Brimbank City Council. Also, we thought that collaboration across teams and departments within the organization of City Council is very important. Also, technical infrastructure, the institutional infrastructure must support the effective implementation of responsible AI. And through this project, we have identified some of the key lessons. So we wanted to highlight those 3 things. So I think that the first key lesson is that we think that translating national AI principle into local governments is a challenge but critical. And of course, this translation requires the significant adaptation of responsible AI concepts to fit the actual needs, local needs, also operational context and community needs in local government, but I think it's worthwhile. And second key lesson is that responsible AI implementation requires a capacity building within a local government. And we found that a lot of local government staff members may lack the necessary knowledge and skills needed to govern AI solutions responsibly. So we got ongoing training and a program will be required to build the capacity. And third one is just a self-explanatory. Thank you very much.
Thank you.